Welcome. Let's tune into your breath. Muse will respond to your breathing during your meditation practice. Why is breath important? Your breath is a powerful force that connects your mind and body. As you become aware of the sensation of your breath, it can help you relax your body, calm your mind, and even give you energy when you need it. When you are unable to focus on the pace of your breath, your mind can wander and your body may become tense. When you are able to focus on the pace of your breath, your mind will become more stable and your body will naturally soften. During your Muse session, you will hear different sounds based on how closely your breath is following the guide. When your breath is consistently matching the guide, you will hear sounds like this. When your breath is not consistently matching the guide, you will hear sounds like this. At the end of each session, you will get a graph of your breath data in your Muse app to help you gain a deeper understanding of your practice. Remember, your breath is always with you and ready to support you. Now let's get started.